telling you what defect he has, so it doesn't depend upon the inspector to move.
Which one is that one?
There was it came out.
Not the view you're seeing.
So guys, can I see this?
It's called instructor view, so I can look at his well from any angle different from what he's seeing. Zoom.
How much this cost, the system?
$46,500.
For a college?
Colleges use it for teaching. We have correctional facilities that are interested in it right now. Also, large companies are looking at this for a screening tool for screening welders coming into their company, retraining older welders that are currently in the field.
See, you see now all the problems. See,
Yep.
do you see that this current voltage?
It tracks all their contact tip to work distance, position, rod angle, lead angle. Tracks it all in real time.
What is it?
Also, the weld can be saved on the USB port on the bottom. You can put a flash drive in there, and you can actually retain that information so it can be turned into an instructor.
Can you donate to my college?
Pardon?
Can you donate one to my college? We are poor.
It actually grades the weld. Okay.
Yeah,
So
I can see that.